Good evening. Dave here. How's everybody on YouTube doing? We're coming in to do another video for today in today's farm life after these messages. Good afternoon. Dave here. Bringing you another daily segment, the everyday life of a farmer. The farm here at Lago Vista, Texas, actually. We're located about northwest of Austin, Texas. Pretty much past the hill country. It's just all farmland in this area. Whoever that was. Most of this area is all just farm, and it's owned by L Farms or Ale Farms. That might have been one of the workers. Anyways, I'm getting a message, and I can answer them later since I'm doing the video right now. It's been pretty quiet today. Of course, since I'm working the night shift, nothing really has occurred. I went by the warehouse. Nothing's really gone in, and mainly because the majority of the watermelons right now are very small. They're not ready to get picked. There was a certain area that was ready, but they're letting it grow a little bit more, get a little bit more sweeter. So the majority of the contractors that pick up our watermelons went over to another part of the ranch, which is closer to Plagerville, Texas. Got another farm over there on that side. That one should be ready, and it's probably being picked up. It's probably being picked up all day. Other than that, I have not heard of any more reports. And I'm jumping the topic from watermelon to the coronavirus. I have not heard any more reports of the coronavirus of being infected today, as of today's date. Not yesterday, not tomorrow, but as of today, there hasn't been any reports of any deaths or anybody getting tested positive. Apparently, they must be doing a lot of tests, and a lot of people are getting tested negative. I got tested negative. Of course, I'm an essential worker, and even though it was during the time that the coronavirus was hitting everybody, I got tested, and I tested negative, and it's been negative since then. But then again, I don't interact with a lot of people. I'm out here at the ranch. The only things I ever interact with is just the dogs. Go find out why they're barking. The machinery, equipment, when I'm taking inventory, things like that. Things like that is usually my nightly routine here. I've been hearing reports from other vloggers, and I'm gonna change the conversation just a little bit more. Bloggers out of the Philippine area, where they're apparently extending the quarantine up to May 31st, EPQ, essential personnel only, are still allowed outside. But they've been extending it ever since March, ever since the coronavirus started. I feel bad for most of my friends who are stuck inside the house, even though they are allowed to go to the store and pick up supplies and food and everything, and you know, they do their daily exercises, not like me. You know, I do my daily exercise, but not as much as they do. But they're stuck at home. They're stuck at home, and it might be probably interesting, but then again, in my opinion, it would get boring. It would get boring. Just watching music, maybe playing games. You know, maybe they'd be allowed outside their residences just so they can walk around or run around, do some exercises, get some outside air. But they're very limited in their movement. And it's like if they'd be stuck in prison and they were only allowed R&R once a day. It's pretty much the way it looks like. The only communications they have to the outside world is through the internet and their cell phones. But the internet is pretty much it. It's when they do their blogs and they communicate with us, and that's their way of communicating with us to see the situation in the Philippines, in the Cebu area, Manila area, Laguna area, areas of Leyte, southern Leyte, Bohol, Coron, El Nido. There's bloggers that I know that are still stuck in El Nido. They were supposed to be there just for about 2 weeks, and they got stuck in the middle of the coronavirus. They've been living there ever since then. I mean, it's a beautiful place to be, but in my opinion, I wouldn't really want to live there permanently. It's a beautiful place, but not, you know, you would get tired of the place. Or maybe not. I mean, it's all beauty there. There's hardly any pollution. There's no crime. The people are always nice. But anyways, back to the farm life. As I said, they're over at the Plagerville farm. We have somebody else taking care of the Plagerville farm right now. So I'm here at the El Ranch, which is the main ranch among the 3 or 4 ranches that are surrounding around Texas. But this is the main ranch, which is located in Lago Vista, Texas. I got nothing else to report other than it's been a nice, very windy day. The wind almost dropped my camera. That's why I'm holding on to the tripod. But want to wish you all a safe day, Tuesday, Wednesday. You all be safe out there, and if y'all are in countries where you're still under a lockdown, stay and follow the state, local, and federal guidelines that they place you. Here in the United States, we're no longer under lockdown, but there's still certain restrictions that we have to follow. And they do it so that we can be able to not contract that coronavirus. So, y'all good luck out there. If y'all have any questions, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you like them. Leave a little comment in the bottom, and I'll try to get to them. It usually takes me about half an hour to maybe a day to look at the comments, but I'm pretty much always looking at the comment section anyway. So Y'all have a good day, and God bless.